Hi guys, this is gsno.com and I'm here with the unboxing of the Allview Soul X5 Style. We've already unboxed and reviewed quite a few Allview Soul X5 phones, the Soul X5, X5 Pro and X5 Mini. It's time for the Style version, and as the name says, it's a bit more stylish. It was announced on November 1st. Allview is a Romanian brand, it's an East European handset brand, and the device is priced at just $243. It's a mid-range handset with a MediaTek CPU, a beautiful blue case. It feels like, I'm guessing it's metal, but I'm going to have to look into it. And those feel like speakers at the back side. Not too shabby. It's got a notch at the front, and once again the price is a mere $243. It's an unboxing, so let's see what's inside the box. We've reviewed quite a few Allview phones over the years. It's by no means a premiere. So we got the warranty, the protective film, the instructions, also a cable of the micro USB to full USB variety, a pair of headphones. If you've seen an Allview phone before, you know what to expect. That's what the headphones are like here. Okay, put this aside. Got a metal key used to access the slots, a charger, a 5-volt and 2 amp charger, exactly like the ones we've seen before, and a pretty hefty manual, which at first felt a bit like a battery from the distance, with the promise of 4G dual SIM. By the way, we also have here voice over LTE and voice over Wi-Fi. That's the promise on paper. And of course, a case, a beautiful flexible transparent case with a cutout for the fingerprint scanner and the dual back camera. Okay, in a nutshell, that's everything available inside the box. As usual, Allview, one of the most generous brands when it comes to accessories. They really throw in everything in the kitchen sink for the device. So this is the Allview Soul X5 Style. I guess it's time to fire it up, see what it's all about. So first things first, a pretty big screen, 6.2 inch, and in spite of the 6.2 inch diagonal, it weighs 168 grams, feels very light, and measures a mere 8.05 millimeters in thickness. It's got a deafening boot animation. It's got a 19:9 aspect. It's got a 1500 over 720 pixel resolution, Gorilla Glass protection, and it runs on Android Oreo in what I expect to be a skinned experience. And by skinned I mean with the Allview skin on top, with some special visual UI gestures, and with the famous Allview virtual assistant that's also proposed by Allview, and it even interacts with its TV sets. Yes, they have their own TV sets now. Other than that, there's a MediaTek Helio P22 processor inside, 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB of storage, a microSD card slot. There's HD voice support and also Face ID. So basically you can identify your face and unlock the phone. It's available in this blue hue you see right here, but there's also a gold version in case you want to spice things up. It's got an audio jack at the top. It's got a micro USB port at the bottom, microphone here, DTS acoustics, and for the selfies you're getting an 8 megapixel camera with its own LED flash, while at the back a dual camera, a combo of 13 and 2 megapixels, LED flash, bokeh, and of course a fingerprint scanner right about here. There's also 4G plus and a generous 4000 mAh battery, which frankly speaking, I feel it's kind of the selling point of the phone, the 4000 mAh battery. Other features, well, there's fun emoji, basically a way to create a cute mask of your face with AR. There's AVI, there's also fingerprint scanner and a 2.5D glass panel at the front, keeping things pretty beautiful. There's the notch here, and as usual I want to show the camera interface because it's customized compared to what you see on other handsets out there. And the customization includes these modes, so slow motion, face emoji, time-lapse, live photo, group selfie and professional, only some of the options. There's also video, there's night, there's face beauty, HDR, panorama, group selfie, and the list goes on and on. And extra settings here, brand mark, geotag, auto scene, countdown, anti-banding, and more. But of course, bokeh is probably the most interesting one. I'm going to look into it, see what the battery life is like, investigate if AV has become even better than before, and guess what? We also have reverse charging, so you can use this phone as a sort of power bank. Now how cool is that? Everything with Android 8.1 Oreo on top, We'll be back with a full review very soon. In the meantime, we'll leave you with this unboxing and first impressions at gsnhome.com. Bye bye.